Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming permissions so readings are valid. Go to Settings and make sure Location Services and Compass Access are enabled. This prevents inaccurate headings. Once done, remove magnetic cases or nearby metal that can distort the sensor, and hold the iPhone flat in your hand to stabilize it. Open the Compass app and look for a calibration prompt. If it appears, follow the on-screen motion. These steps set the baseline so the sensor can recalibrate correctly. Now you perform the actual calibration motion to align the magnetometer. When the app shows the figure 8 or rotation guide, move the phone in smooth, deliberate figure 8 patterns and rotate through each axis slowly. This lets internal gyros and magnetometers reconcile orientation and local magnetic variations. Make sure you complete several full cycles until the app indicates success. If you rush or make abrupt movements, the sensors won't converge, so take your time and feel the alignment settle as the calibration finishes. Finish by validating the compass. Compare its heading to a known landmark, map bearing, or a second device you trust and confirm accuracy. If readings are still off, restart the iPhone and try calibration again. Toggling location services can clear sensor access glitches. If problems persist, remove cases, magnetic mounts, and move away from speakers or machinery. External fields can bias results. As a key troubleshooting tip, recalibrate in a different location to rule out localized interference before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.